Good afternoon, Hawks. It's Friday, May 14th, 2021. Welcome to today's episode of Hawk Headline News on the Cesar Chavez Broadcast Network. I'm your host and Activities Director, Mr. Straley. Thank you to all the families who joined us for our annual open house last night. We appreciate you making the time to meet with us. For parents who missed the 8th grade promotion meeting, you can find that video on our school YouTube channel at CCMS Hawks. Today is the second to last Friday of the school year. After next Friday, there are no more Fridays this school year. The last day of school for students is May 27th. On May 20th and 21st, 8th grade students will be asked to return their materials. On Monday, May 24th, 7th grade students will be asked to do the same. And on Tuesday, May 25th, 6th grader students will ask to return their materials. Stay tuned for more details. In our Holler for Hawks segment, Ms. Pinatori would like to recognize Crystal for being a full Hawks. Ms. Pinatori reports that Crystal's work always catches my attention with her thoughtful, reflective style. She asks for feedback and takes it well. She is prompt with her work and shows a real commitment to learning. Great student. Well, way to go, Crystal, and a huge shout out to Ms. Pinatori for taking the time to recognize our amazing students. And if you witness someone being hardworking, accountable, wise, kind, or spirited, we want to know about it. Click on the link in the description below or find a link on our school website. Today is National Dance Like a Chicken Day. Top prize to anyone who sends me a video I can post on our social media feeds. The quote of the day comes from the Dalai Lama, who said, "When you talk, you are only repeating something you know. But if you listen, you may learn something new." From the Comedy Corner, knock, knock, who's there? A little old lady? A little old lady who? I didn't know you could yodel. Just like zebras, fun fact, just like zebras, no two tigers have the exact same stripes. And from the discussion desk, what traits do you look for in a friend? The Cesar Chavez family wants to wish a happy birthday to the following kiddos with birthdays today or this weekend. So, happy birthday, Brian, Devin, Sophia, Janelle, Emily, Tanya, Xavier, and Zachary. Enjoy your special day. Thank you for tuning in. See you Monday and every afternoon at 12:45 right here on YouTube Live. And as always, find a way to be a hawk today.